Thank you.
We're inside and outside the museum. You can stay here if you want after the tour until 6 in the evening. Okay, not in the morning. Okay, don't sleep here. Some people got stumbled over here. I don't want you to repeat the same mistake here, everyone. Like, everyone, unfortunately, we don't have toilet facilities in. Okay. Come, everyone. I want to say. Later, you will ask me what kind of words they use. You know, different verbal words they use. They will cut that later. So, everything that we can see here, all the people there. Okay, I will give you time to take photos of the actual museum. But let's gather here first. 1963, there. However, inside the museum, we can see some part of the, well, sculptures, small sculpture. We can see some nails, but it's only temporary once it stand by itself. Meter here and 10 centimeters in the Apple Museum. Well, an Apple Museum is 10 times bigger than this model. I want you to imagine and realize how the this is a wooden pin with a wooden wedge on it to lock the wood together. Originally, they used it as a nail inside the museum. Okay, you can see this one here. Our museum, we have 3 balconies. You can see over there one of the balcony. This is how they interlock the balcony with the wood joint techniques. And our ceiling, you know, the ceiling part is huge. You can imagine how huge is that. You can see the design, the decoration, and they hang it like this. Of course, with the support of the big pillar, poles, column inside. We have 170 big poles outside and inside the museum. And you can see 1 to 2 pieces of wood, they join it together using the wood joint techniques. And, well, the carrying pole to carry the weight down so it will not be moved like this. So, everyone, we have a lot of decoration, the butterfly joint. And if they want to add more decoration, they use the long dovetail, adding more and more and more. So the knowledge was coming from past Siam, ancient Thai workers from many branches, passed on from generation to generation. Well, it's not a temple, everyone, it's a museum. Inspired by different traditional style, contemporary arts, like Indian, Chinese, Cambodian, and Thai. So it's not a temple, everyone, it's a museum.